Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan F, and you're watching Morgan Eats, where I talk all about approachable, affordable, plant-based food. So if that sounds super interesting to you, first of all, subscribe because we out here. And second of all, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day when I want to have a little splurge, a little cheat day, if you will, a little junk food, if you will. So let's check it out. Welcome to my cheat day. This is actually the day I broke my fast, my Daniel fast. So if you haven't caught that video, definitely check it out. It'll be in the card somewhere. Beautiful, excellent. So I've been watching this show called Struggle Meals, which comes on Taste Made. I think it's I don't know. I have it on my streaming service. I have Sling, and so this gentleman, I even know the guy's name. He was fixing, he takes an episode and he talks about different foods. Like potatoes was what he talked about. So he did all this with the potato, and he had russet potatoes. I ain't have russet potatoes. I had this one purple potato, and I had this one russet potato, and I just made it work, you know? So I'm trying to get the moisture out because the russet potatoes are kind of liquidy, but the purple potatoes, I don't know why I keep saying red. The purple potatoes are not. So like no liquid came out, but there was some moisture on the paper towel. So I'm glad I did that. And in my robe, we're going to continue cooking our breakfast. Let me know in the comments, do you cook in your robe? What are you an apron type of person? I envy you. Apron people are amazing. So I'm just seasoning this up. Flour, I have some poultry seasoning, my umami powder that I love so much, garlic powder, then some spicy paprika. Yes, there she is. Why not? And of course, as a true vegan, I have to use some nourish. It's a joke, guys. It's a joke. Salt and pepper, of course. No, I really am obsessed with nutritional yeast. It's quite phenomenal, actually. Okay, hot pan. I'm making like an apple compote now with some caramelized onions because this is what he did on the show, and I was like, yes. Mind you, it is like 2:30 in the morning when I'm watching this show, and I really should be sleeping, but who cares? So this is kind of his recipe. It's pretty cool. So those are some Granny Smith apples that I diced up real cute. Wished I had a device or something that I could. My mom gave me like a apple pillar or an apple cutter, and I couldn't find it, which was not the greatest. And so I'm happy to be able to use apples in this way because normally I don't know what else to do with them. So if you have any suggestions for how you use apples other than something sweet, let me know. And if I were to do this again, I probably would have made that into 6 instead of 4 little potato latkes, but whatever, we do what we can do. And it turned out beautifully. Here's the final product. Can I get your Beyond fried chicken, that 6-piece? Yes, yeah, with the no, I'll get the meal. Can I have a lemonade with no ice? Yep, and I guess the fries. Yep. Yes. No, I don't need dress. I don't need the sauce either. Right. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. It's here. The Beyond Chicken from KFC. And I'm gonna just keep it a buck. My husband already tried a piece, so if you're wondering why there's only 5 and not 6, that's why. But it's okay, because that is what marriage is for. He liked it, so I'm excited to try it. So there was a little bit of a wait in the KFC, and so this is what they gave me. So there's a biscuit, which I didn't know it came with a biscuit, but this is not vegan friendly. This has dairy in it. But the fries and the Beyond Chicken, of course, are. So we're just gonna focus on those two things. So if you don't know, KFC now has Beyond Chicken, and you can get a 6-piece or a 12-piece. You can get a 6-piece meal, or you can get just a 6-piece by itself. But where I am, it doesn't make sense not to get the 6-piece with the meal because it comes with a drink and fries for $1. So it just economically that math is mathing. But unfortunately, none of the sauces there, except for maybe the ketchup and I think maybe the hot sauce, are vegan friendly. So I just have my own sauce. I've got some vegan friendly barbecue and some Dijon mustard, which I wonder if I should have got the spicy mustard, but we're here now. So let's just give this a little tasty taste. Low-key, I'm gonna tell you the truth, I don't really like fried chicken like that. So like, I don't know. All right, fries are trash. I don't like the fries. I mean, trash is strong, but I'm not a fan. Alrighty, here is our Beyond Chicken. Our Beyond Chicken nugget. Ain't she cute? Let's break her out. The breading is falling apart. Don't worry, guys. I'll sleep that up. But the inside looks really. Oh God, the inside looks really good. So I wonder they probably don't have a good binder for it, because that happens to me when I make my my mushroom fried. I call them chick rooms. But yeah, I think the breading's good. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a try by itself. I wish they were colder. I mean, hotter. They're kind of cold. But I like the flavor. I like the seasoning of it. It's very well seasoned to me. Good amount of spice. Whatever the KFC spice is doing what it needs to do right here. I like it. But I mean, I feel like all nuggets are dry, and this nugget is very dry. So, I mean, that's why I give you sauce with it, right? So I'm gonna try this Dijon mustard. I was gonna make my own honey mustard, like a maple syrup or agave. I ain't got time for that. Like, let me know in the comments if you tried this. Number one, what do you think about it? I'm liking it. Once you put it with the sauce, it's a lot better. But I also just want to know if it falls apart on YouTube, because I don't know if that's just like a me thing. Okay, I'm gonna try it with the barbecue sauce. Oh, that's so much better. Barbecue sauce for one. Like, wow. Okay. And you get a drink with it? I'll never be drinking drinks. And I asked for no ice. Look, they gave me ice. Dagnabbit. Whatever. That's what gave me a biscuit. You know, who knows what they was in there doing. Ooh, that's watered down like a mug. That lemonade's not that great. Okay, so overall, I'm very happy to have an option at some place that is nationwide to eat, such as KFC. And thinking that maybe more people will be like, ooh, Beyond Chicken, I want to try that. And just be excited about trying something new is really inspiring to me. So I'm really happy that we have this option. I like it. I do like it. Could it be better? Yeah, like if there was another side we could eat besides corn, or if there were some dipping sauces. I get you can't make the biscuit dairy free. Well, you can, but I get massively that's probably complicated. So, but like, don't give it to me. And this thing is solid as a rock. Stop. I'm being silly. All right, guys, I'm gonna see y'all at dinner time. That might taste good. Barbecue sauce with the ketchup. Okay, so I ordered a pizza at dinner, and rookie mistake, always check the box before you leave, because I definitely did not get the right pizza. It was meaty meat. So we went back and they gave us this and they were apologetic. Ugh. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and share with a friend. I will see you next time. catch you in my next video.